Now, from WTVM, this is Business Break with your host, Maureen Akers.
Hello there. Today we have a terrific guest. We have Gregory Blue with Blue Fast Tax. Mr. Blue, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me today, Maureen.
Always a pleasure to have you.
Glad to be here.
Tell us a little bit about a special promotion that you have going on.
Right now, first of all, I want to say our hearts and prayers go out to those that were affected by the tornadoes that happened in Lee County and the outskirts of Talbot and those areas.
Absolutely.
And Blue Fast Tax wanted to do something a little special. So for every new client that comes in, we're going to give a portion of the proceeds to help rebuild that community, to help families in need, and those kinds of things. We want to be a part of this community and want to let you know we care about this community.
Absolutely.
And that's what our company is about.
You are. You very much are, and we've talked about that many times. When every time you come to take Business Break, we talk about that. And so I guess that goes into the next question: is what does set you apart?
It is that. It's that being a part of this community, knowing what it takes to make Columbus a great city, Phoenix City, the surrounding valley area. What it takes us coming together, it takes us caring about each other. And at Blue Fast Tax, we care about you. We care about what happens with you and your taxes and your finances and those things. So we're there ready for answers and questions, and whether you're one of our clients or not, we take phone calls all the time to help people out.
Very good. And if you would like to call, phone number's been up on the screen while we've been talking, and so has the website too as well if you want to contact them. Now, because it is that season and it is what you do most of the time, taxes. Tell us a little bit about what's going on. There is still some confusion and what's happening this year or from last year's.
Yeah, there's a lot of confusion, and I would admonish you, not just because I'm in the tax business, but at least this first year, before you try to play with any online tax service and do it yourself, call somebody. Get some information, because there's a lot of misinformation out there. The other part of that is that in our tax reform, there are certain things that you may think you've gotten more money back during the year, you know, a couple of dollars here and there, but at the end of the year, that money is not in your tax return, and then when you look for your refund, it's been less. So we want to help you navigate through those things.
Absolutely, and just to know, I guess, some of the details, you know, as far as, you know, do you even do itemized deductions this year? Because maybe you don't, you know, maybe it doesn't, whatever, right? Or maybe you can't because some things have been changed.
Some things have changed, and they have for a lot of people in a lot of different businesses. So contact your tax preparer. Give us a call. We'll help you anywhere we can.
Absolutely, and here to help out the community, and especially those affected by the recent tornadoes. Thank you so very much for joining us, Mr. Blue. Blue's Fast Tax. Again, information has been up on the screen while we've been talking, and we look forward to seeing you on the very next Business Break.
Thank you.